Hello again, welcome to my channel. As you can see, today I'm gonna share with you how to make this delicious tiramisu. Very easy to do and absolutely perfect dessert. It's coffee and cream. People who love coffee, this is gonna be perfect for you. I mean, there is a lot of videos of tiramisu in YouTube and stuff, but I just wanted to share with you my version of it. So I made it for my kids, and I hope you like the video. So the first things I did is I have water here in a saucepan, and I have 3 egg yolk with 120 grams of sugar, and I put it in a bowl, and I'm just gonna put this on simmering water, on top of a simmering water. So just to cook the eggs. So you can use you don't have to use the eggs, you can just use the cream and the mascarpone, but I use the egg yolk. It gives it a really nice taste. So keep stirring the eggs with the sugar until the sugar dissolves and the egg yolk is cooked through. And then after that I'm gonna add 250 grams of mascarpone. This is essential. Mascarpone is the one that gives the cream. Mascarpone cream is the one that gives it that really nice taste, so it has to be used. So I'm gonna mix it with the egg yolk and sugar. And then I'm gonna put 300 ml of double cream, and I'm gonna use the mixer here. So after the cream is done, as you can see, that's how it looks like. I have here hot water with coffee, so we can dip the sponge fingers in, and I also have my sponge finger. I'm using this ring here to make it to a circle. So first thing, you can use any shape you want. So I'm gonna dip the sponge fingers on the coffee, and I'm just gonna arrange them as a first layer. As I said, you can use any shape of wherever you want to put them. So keep going until you cover the whole the base. After I cover the whole base, I'm gonna put the first half of the cream on top of the biscuit or sponge fingers, and just spread it around to cover everything. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, another layer of the sponge fingers dipped on the coffee. And after I cover this everything, then I'm gonna add the rest of the cream and cover the whole thing up. I'm gonna cover it up and put it in the fridge for a whole night. So I done that in the evening, and I left it in the fridge for the whole night. It has to stay in the fridge for at least 2 hours, so but it's best if it stays overnight. So the next day I removed it from the ring, and I'm just gonna decorate it with the cocoa powder. So I'm using this stencil here, so I'm just gonna put it on top, and then put a thick layer of cocoa powder. You don't have to use that. Just I bought this one actually from TK Maxx. It was like £2 or £3, so it's really good. So I'm just gonna put a thick layer of cocoa powder and then remove it, and I'm gonna leave with gonna be with the design on top of it, as you can see. And that's it. There we have a very easy dessert, very delicious, and thank you very much for watching, and I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to share if you like, and don't forget to leave a like for me. Thank you very much, and I will see you again very soon.